Hi guys, welcome back. Hope you are all well. So today I'm going to start dismantling this sink and the cupboards at this side of the bathroom, and hopefully by the end of the day plumbing the new sink, and then we can start to understand the space that we have in this bathroom and also start to plan ahead and make the vanity unit that sits under the sink. I'm hoping to fit it today in such a way that it's almost on a gallows bracket system, and I can build the vanity unit around it and then just dismantle the gallows brackets. That's the plan. Hello, Bo. So let's dismantle the cupboards and understand where the plumbing is. Today's Saturday, so I've got an opportunity to go shopping midway through the plumbing build if I need to, just to get some bits and pieces. Right, let's crack on. Okay, so that's all the boxing removed, and it's amazing what you find behind these boxings when you take it away. There was a dead hornet down here somewhere. There were a few spiders, which I expected. Next, I'm going to remove the sink. I'm going to turn the water off downstairs. The actual controls for this bathroom are all downstairs, so I don't have to turn the water off for the house. I just need to turn the water off for this room. I can take the sink out, uncouple the drain, uncouple the taps. Now we're going to put the sink lower. This sink is 910 high, it's a bit high, and actually when I went shopping the other day, I went to the shop where we bought the sink. That vanity unit was 850 tall, so I'm going to reduce this to 850, which gives a little bit more headroom as well in this corner. And I'm going to put one end up to this partition, which is why, if you remember, when I built this partition, I actually put some noggins in here for future use. Didn't quite know what height I needed at the time, but I've actually marked them on the tile. If you can see these pencil marks, that's where the noggins are within the wall. I'm going to use that wood that I took out from here. That's actually from the days of the small loft workshop, actually the unsorted redwoods I used to buy from the local DIY shop. I'm going to repurpose some of that timber because it's really good quality, to put the bearer on there, the bearer on the wall, sit the base in on it, and then when I finally get round to building the vanity unit, I'm hoping I can just slide it in. I'm hoping with these being flexible, for today I can just adjust them. I'm probably going to have to adjust all this plumbing in the long term. The hot water tank for this bedroom is in the cupboard just here across there, and basically the plumbing comes out of the pipe, comes down under the floor into some boxings that's between the floor joists because we've got no ceiling, and then pops back up here. It may be that I adjust this plumbing to suit, which means I'll just have to remove the boxings downstairs, reroute the pipes, and then put the boxings back and maybe make an additional couple of boxings. But that's a problem for another day. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. I've made this little temporary support out of the timbers that we took out of the pipe boxing. Put the sink in. The sink's just, well, it's not quite balanced there because it's really heavy, but I am just going to put something on this side just to stop it sliding this way. I don't know what the chances of it sliding this way are because it's very heavy, but hey, I'll do it. I don't want it falling out. So the next thing to do is fit the tap. I've just stood that there. This tap is the nearest we could find that matches the bath tap. But the next thing to do is fit that tap, fit the drain, and then look at what plumbing I need to connect what I've got to this. I've got a box of plumbing in the barn. I just need to pull that out and rummage through it and see what I have to connect the tail ends of the pipes to the pipes I've got here, and also the waste, and then this will be operational for a while. The reason I've put this in now is I wanted to work out how it works in this space. First of all, is it the right height? Do I need to wire it? Certainly don't need to lower it, but it could come higher if it needs to. We've still not sorted out the tiles yet, although I am bringing Lynn round to retiling the bathroom. We was looking at them the other day, some kind of marble-esque type tiles. We'll need to make that decision before I tile it because I'll need to pull the basin out from the wall, the thickness of the new tile. If I make some cupboard doors on this, it's going to collide with the toilet, which is okay. We're going to remove the toilet, and because these cupboards either side are going, I can actually move this toilet this way. It would appear it needs to come this way about 80 or 90 millimeters to let the door swing fully open. So this is why I want to live with it for a little while, just to work out all the little design considerations I need. So the sink's in and the plumbing's dry, and whilst I've been waiting for the glue to set on the drains, I've removed these 2 cupboards, and now I just need to work out how I'm going to fit this toilet in the space that this is in, and then how I finish this wall. So that's it for this episode. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, give me a thumbs up, and if you enjoyed it that much, consider subscribing, and if you want to see me fit this toilet, then tune in next time. See you later, guys. Bye.